So living out in Marble Falls, Burnett, Llano, we have 5 lakes, all within about 15 minutes of each other. And the clientele that we get there are amazing. I shouldn't say clientele, let me say the people that we work with, because they are people. They are very, very astute in making sure that we give them exactly what we say we're going to give them. Point being, I just had a client that very high-end house right on the golf course, and we knocked it out in about 6.5 days. The project was projected to be about 2 weeks. He was very adamant about making sure that we were on point with everything that we did in his house, and it came out perfect to his standards, and we've now got a 5-star review behind it. So, you know, we just always want to make sure we keep our word to our people in the hill country.